Alright guys, I have Progress 195. I got a new update to Progress 195 which is what it says beta 2 version. Forgot that this is not an alpha version. And here's a new skin called bar/x. Let's go. Oh, what is this? Upload on the way. It has the Bar 7 startup sound. Wait, is okay? The icon is happy and dead. It's dead. Dead Bar system. What is Progress BC 800? This is not the correct. This is not the correct system that we're running. This is not the correct. This is incorrect. Okay, we play. Replay. Just lagging for some reason. Ben. Let's unlock all the let's unlock all the bar/x wallpapers to get professional. Old. What? Terminals can't be opened. Let's try from here. Oh, here it is. But this operating system, this bar OS operating system called bar/x is amazing. But it has an incorrect logo. Computer. It has an incorrect computer and a wrong title of this. In the next update to Progress 25, it will not say Progress BC 800 and this Aslo. These are incorrect. Incorrect. Not correct. Land Siemens. Wait, what? This is a better version. I know Siemens will be added in the next update. It says unlock bar/x. The bar/x contains the bars game modes and the progress bar game modes. The down. I tried the normal game mode. Now I have played casual. What? I have to click the screen on this system. Okay, this copied bar 10.3 game modes. Okay. I need to play better. Okay. Can you please not do this? come on. Okay. Okay, it's level 3. Follow. Let's check the names. What does it say this? You know, this operating system is the best. I like this system so much. So happy I want to get master on this system. Just like it on Bar OS 9 and later.
You've got mail.
The mail.
You've got mail.
Oh, fuck you, baby. Let's unlock a new wallpaper. /X. New bottles. There, I'm almost there. Oh yes, I did it. Let's unlock a new wallpaper for /X. Here it is. Uh-oh. This is the bar. This is not the correct wallpaper for /X. This wallpaper, the game is still in beta. But anyways, I will close the video right now because it doesn't have any new wallpapers. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time when I get /X Professional. But still, how to do it. So I will be right back.